6 Navy Living Room Ideas. Navy blue, with its deep and sophisticated hue, has an impressive ability to transform any living space into a haven of style, comfort, and calm. Let's take a look at 6 Navy living room ideas to help you incorporate navy into your interior design. Use geometric patterns. In this beautifully curated navy blue living room, geometric elements are a prominent theme, showcasing the designer's keen eye for detail and harmonious aesthetics. The navy walls, adorned with a striking geometric navy and gold wallpaper, create an instant focal point, adding depth and intrigue to the space. A gold wire ceiling light shade casts a delicate shadow upon the scene space. Nestled against the perfect backdrop of the patterned navy living room walls are plush navy blue sofas, offering both comfort and elegance. To complement the geometric theme, a black and white rug, mirroring the pattern of the wallpaper, anchors the whole room with its repeating design. Adding a subtle and refreshing pop of color, a pale lime green coffee table stands at the center of the room, matched in color by the stylish curved floor lamp. Both beautifully contrasting the deep blue hues, create a boho vibe. The next of my blue living room ideas is a beautiful boho-themed navy living room, where the interior designer has skillfully weaved together elements of nature, texture, and cultural inspiration. An impactful navy wall immediately takes your eye, contrasting beautifully against the surrounding crisp white walls. Above, a wicker ceiling light shade adds an organic touch, casting gentle shadows across the space. Complementing the earthy tones, a natural wooden coffee table adds a touch of warmth. Adorning the walls is a display of intricately detailed wicker plates, their artistry reflecting the room's bohemian charm, while the wide light gray fabric sofa serves as a comfortable place to rest and relax, inviting lounging and conversation. Vibrant green plants are strategically placed, injecting rich color and providing a refreshing contrast against the navy and white backdrop. To complete the inviting ambience, a mix of neutral patterned and textured sofa cushions add depth and comfort to the seating area. Pair navy blue with black and white. The navy feature wall in this modern living room commands your attention, neatly contrasting with the light gray shade adorning the remaining walls. A traditional yet contemporary velvet gray sofa sits gracefully in the space, inviting comfort and relaxation. Complementing the sofa, a gold table lamp and floor lamp with matching dark blue shades get ready to illuminate the space with a soft, warm glow. The 1950s style wood coffee table's a stylish choice that adds a taste of vintage sophistication, whilst the sofa comes to life with a selection of neutral cream, black, and white cushions, offering both a design feature and visual interest. Adorning the wall and table, white and black framed prints contribute a tasteful artistic flair, which are colored matched by the bold black and white geometric patterned rug, effortlessly tying the elements together and grounding the space with its striking presence. Incorporate bold color contrast. This bold and bravely designed navy blue living room uses the play of colors and carefully selected elements to create a space that is both daring and vibrant. The navy blue walls, enveloping the entire living room area, add a calming and elegant tone to the space. To enhance the natural light, a large round gold mirror is strategically placed to reflect the light pouring in from the patio doors. On the adjacent wall, a navy sofa takes its place, harmoniously complementing the navy walls and offering a cozy spot for rest and relaxation. Finally, making a bold statement in the center of this navy living room is an oversized, dusky pink armchair. This furniture piece cannot fail to be the main focal point, injecting a touch of vibrancy into the room. Add texture with a navy paneled wall. This simple but well-designed navy living room is a place where every element has come together to create a space that is both classy and inviting. The parquet wood effect tiled floor adds visual warmth whilst keeping the room cool in summer. It also complements the room's overall aesthetic. An exquisite modern navy blue corner sofa takes center stage, elegantly enhanced by perfectly contrasting orange cushions, creating a striking divergence from the abundance of navy blue. Drawing equal attention to this is the feature navy blue batten and board wall, which adds depth and texture to the space. Adding a pure, refreshing touch, elements of greenery, and naturally styled and finished plant pots bring life and vibrancy to the ambience of the living room. Mix different styles and periods. A seamless blend of period and contemporary pieces has been thoughtfully placed together to create this quirky mixture of elements. The large bay window bathes the room in natural light, accentuating the expanse of navy walls that add depth and a strong aesthetic to the space. Rustic wood furniture pieces, including a desk, side table, and plant stand, infuse an organic warmth, while an eclectic mix of artworks and a calendar adorn the wall. A modern gray sofa, housing a mixture of dark blue and natural toned cushions, offers a functional and sociable seating area, whilst opposite to this is a period high button-backed mustard armchair, which is a delightful accent that brings a charming vintage allure. The mustard armchair creates a flash of color and design interest in a cozy living space of mainly dark tones and deep hues. To view all 14 navy living room ideas, please click the link in the description.